We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with COSM stock Cosmos Health Inc. And as you can see here, sitting sideways for most of the day and trying to find support, and it bounced up towards the second half of the day here. And it was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 10:05 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 150% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together, using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with COSM stock Cosmos Health Inc. pushing back up here. It did an offering yesterday, and tomorrow the offering is closing, guys. And as I stated in yesterday's video, a lot of people are going to be watching this going into the offering, closing, and even after throughout this week. Now, we're going to break down what the inflow versus outflow is showing, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator at 11 a.m. From that moment forward, outflows had already crossed the midpoint and they stayed below it. And within 42 vision, continuation of weakness, and put options went up 100% plus within hours, guys. As you see, they're popping up on the options chain. Some of them went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with COSM stock Cosmos Health Inc. And as we see here towards the second half of the day, it's pushing back up. And yesterday, as you see popping up here on the screen, an offering had came up after the pullback it had on Friday. And here it is pulling down towards the fives and now pushing back up. And the closing of the offering, which I broke it down in yesterday's video, you see it popping up here on the screen again, is the 21st, guys. And here we are pulling upwards, and the question mark is, could this continue, right? It's done a full transition here from bright green bars to red bars. It has not hit white with red borders. It did actually do a full transition here on Friday, though, from white with red borders to bright green here on 42 vision. And if it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision that allows us to see the dips to the rips to the dips, and also where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators in inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with COSM stock, and you could see it back under a bull indicator here at around $6.60. The inflows crossed over here as well, and we're at inflows of 2.97. Canceling out that bear indicator from way up here at 1337, from way back here on Friday the 16th of December, and then also here December 19th, rejecting around that area in the pre-market. Now, what is bringing it back up? It's just speculation, in my opinion, not financial advice, just my perspective alone. Right now, going into the ending of the offering and closing of the offering, it's almost like the negative news is now behind us, which can stir up volatility, but it's an offering that just happened that diluted the overall market cap and the stock itself. So something to not ignore, and it doesn't guarantee it's supposed to staircase and start going higher. But right now, within the volatility, inflows have crossed the midpoint. The bull indicator has popped up to cancel out this bear indicator, and here we are back in the $8 range where it was fighting here yesterday to hold itself up before going lower. So this is significant, this is pivotal here and crucial. And what is it that I would watch going into tomorrow? If these inflows can continue to go higher on the 30-minute and on the 15-minute as well, because when we zoom in here into the volatility on the 15-minute, a full transition has happened here from the dip to the rip, followed by that bull indicator here at around 590s. It's hit highs here of $8, almost $9, and rejected, and outflows have began, guys. It hasn't crossed the midpoint just yet, but the outflows have began, and this is crucial. If it crosses through it, it could quickly start to reflect into the chart. Even though outflows have began, that's why the whole entire stock has not collapsed, because it's holding itself up above key support levels, and these inflows are still above the midpoint. So the first thing I would watch is, even though these outflows have began, I would watch if the 15-minute can stay above the midpoint and pull itself back up to actually show some strength here and reflect not only on the 15-minute, but continue to pull up here the 30-minute with it. Because if the 15-minute significantly pulls down with those outflows, outflows could start to reflect on the 30-minute and also slow down here the inflows that the 1 hour has, as the 1 hour right now is at 1.88, guys. These inflows need to continue here. I would watch that on the 1 hour if this bear indicator could get canceled in the process, and if a bull indicator can pop up within the volatility. Now I'm going to share with you guys the key levels that I would watch. And the first thing is support, guys. $6 is a crucial support, and in between 8 and 6 is the $7 mark, guys. That's going to be crucial and critical right there around that $7.50 to $7 area. And to the upside, the first resistance that I'm watching is $10, guys. That's where it was fighting here between that $8 to $10 range, and the peak in the middle area of that area was $10, right? That's the first staircase area that I would watch if this bull indicator could go ahead and continue to stay strong and these inflows continue upwards. And then above that is up towards $12, and the rejection point here of $13.70, where that bear indicator popped up and rejected in the pre-market, will be critical within the volatility if those resistance can be broken through and turn into supports. And if the $6 support gets broken through, the next support I'm watching is down at $5. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.